All right, today I'm in a Nissan Armada and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the parking brake on this vehicle. But before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. So I'm sitting behind the steering wheel of this particular Nissan Armada. Now, the parking brake, turn it on. I have the vehicle currently in park. I have the steering wheel, the vehicle's on. It doesn't necessarily have to be on to apply the parking brake. All right, so I'm sitting behind the steering wheel. What I'm going to do is I'm going to look down. And the parking brake is right there. And so what I'm going to do is I always keep my foot on the brake right here. And then I'll just go ahead and take my foot and press down the parking brake down to the flow. All right, see it's down in there. All right, so it's down and the parking brake is on. And if you look up on the instrument panel, there is a brake sign right there. It says brake up in red. It is on. Now to turn the parking brake off, what I do is I'm going to come back down here and find that pedal, press it again down, and then it pops up like that. All right, and the parking brake is not applied anymore. You can look on the instrument panel and it shows that the parking brake is not applied. All right, I hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.